What if there were a place where fate itself could be rewritten? In South India, in the state of Tamil Nadu, lies the small town of Thirupattur, about 30 kilometers or 18 miles from Tiruchirappalli, home to a temple built around a remarkable belief that destiny can be rewritten. This is the Brahmapureeswarar Temple, a rare site where the creator, Lord Brahma, is not only worshipped, but is also believed to hold the power to alter the fate of those who arrive in devotion. The presiding deity of the temple is Lord Shiva, worshipped in the form of a self-manifested lingam known as Brahmapureeswarar. What sets this temple apart is the presence of a prominent, separate shrine for Lord Brahma, seated in Padmasana on a lotus, something rarely seen in Hindu temples. This is a temple built around a specific legend, the fall, penance, and restoration of the creator. Join Divine Doorways as we explore the story and significance of this unique sacred site. According to temple tradition, Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe, became consumed by pride. He believed his role made him superior to Lord Shiva. In response, Lord Shiva punished him, destroying Lord Brahma's fifth head and taking away his power of creation. This was no ordinary punishment. For Lord Brahma, it meant losing his very purpose. Stripped of his role, he set out in search of redemption, beginning a long pilgrimage, visiting one Shiva temple after another, until his journey eventually led him to Thirupattur. Here, Lord Brahma did not simply offer a prayer and move on. He stayed, installing 12 Shiva Lingams around the sanctum and undertaking intense penance to seek forgiveness. Moved by his devotion, Lord Shiva appeared before him, traditionally believed to have taken place beneath the Ma Gilha tree within the temple grounds. Lord Shiva lifted the punishment and restored Lord Brahma's power of creation. But the defining moment came next. Because Lord Brahma's own destiny had changed at this very place, Lord Shiva blessed him to rewrite the destiny of devotees who come here in faith. That is the belief that defines Thirupattur. Not just worship, but transformation. The temple reflects classic Dravidian architecture, marked by a 5-tier Rajagopuram and intricately carved stone pillars. The pathway to the sanctum passes through a series of entrances, a design some traditions associate symbolically with the passage of time and cycles. A separate shrine is dedicated to goddess Brahma Samphat Gauri, the consort of Lord Shiva. During the Tamil month of Panguni, which falls around March and April, a natural alignment occurs as sunlight falls directly on the main Shiva Lingam for a brief period over 3 consecutive days. The site is also linked to sage Patanjali, the revered author of the Yoga Sutras and a foundational figure in classical yoga. His Jeeva Samadhi is believed to be located within the temple, a sacred resting place where a realized yogi is said to remain in a state of eternal meditation, adding another layer of spiritual significance to this sacred place. Today, people visit this temple seeking relief from career stagnation, delayed marriages, financial struggles, and long-standing obstacles, often believed to be shaped by destiny or past karma. Some bring their horoscopes and place them before Lord Brahma, praying for a change in what has been written. In his shrine, devotees often sit quietly for a few moments, a practice that sets this temple apart. In that stillness, many believe their destiny is being rewritten. No elaborate rituals, just quiet reflection and faith. Om Brahma Ne Nama. In Thirupattur, the belief is simple. Even destiny can be rewritten. If the creator's destiny could change, perhaps yours can too. Follow Divine Doorways for more journeys into India's sacred temples.